So welcome back to White House Farm. What are we doing today, Major?
Picking apples.
That's right, we're gonna pick some apples.
Yep.
And we're gonna make all types of apple stuff, right?
Yeah.
Apple pie, apple filling,
Yep.
apple sauce.
Apple pie.
Yep, we said apple pie.
Yeah.
So lots of apple stuff. Apple turnovers, you name it.
Yep.
All right. So.
I don't want to pull it.
All right, yeah, that is perfect. Yeah, and there we go. And we don't spray our apples. They're all natural organic, so they get a little bit of that kind of like the dots or the sheen kind of, but it doesn't affect the taste or anything. And let me show you something. Look how they nice shine right up. No waxes on them or nothing. All natural.
Yep.
You want to eat that one?
Sure.
Here, come here. You're right here. Take a big bite of that one. Juicy, right? All right, let me have a bite. Look at that. Beautiful apple.
It's kind of sour.
Kind of sour? That's how it's supposed to be. Ah, love this time of year. All right, here we go.
That's good.
It is good, right?
Yeah.
All right, so this is just one of our many trees. Let's go ahead and start picking some apples. We also got to pick our pears too, so
Oh yeah.
make sure to watch our pear video and our apple videos. I'm making all types of different stuff. Let me start picking some of these apples for you.
That's how you do it?
Yeah.
That is so easy. What the heck? Okay. Oh, then
Got 'em?
2 apples. Good. Oh, just that right here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Careful throwing them in there. We don't want them getting bruised. Yeah, set them in there. Hey.
That's a big
Show it to the camera.
Look at this apple. It is huge. This apple is big. I see this apple is big.
Oh.
Oh.
There's that one.
Oh. It's kind of perfect.
Yeah. Big beefs.
Oh, we got some kind of green ones.
Yeah. Pull them right off. That's an apple. Look at that one, Major. Huge.
Oh my god.
Yeah, the chickens are even getting to enjoy some of the apples that were bad.
Look at all the apples we have.
Yeah, doing good.
Yeah.
Can make some great apple pie filling, right?
Yep.
It's almost the size of your head.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna call it quits for now. Our box is getting overfilled here,
Yeah.
but that's a start.
Yeah, you're okay now.
Now we gotta get inside. Are you gonna start peeling all those?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
It's heavy. I don't know if you can carry it.
All right. So we're gonna head inside and start preparing these for all the different apple stuff we're gonna be making this fall, and we're gonna be vacuum sealing, freezing, and canning. So stay tuned to watch all the videos on that, and we'll see you inside.
Bye.
Ooh, these big beefy apples. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo. Bye, guys.